Hello and welcome to Board Game Ninja. Today we're building the iconic merchants' houses of Amsterdam, starting with a storefront and working our way up to those distinctive canal house roofs. Whenever a player completes their fourth house by placing a roof, the game ends. Players score points by meeting the objectives on their buildings, with bonus points for flower pots and for the largest connected group of one color. Canal Houses is for 2 to 5 players, takes about 20 minutes to play, and is suitable for builders aged 8 and up. There are 3 different decks: shops, windows, and roofs. Shuffle each deck separately. Each player draws 1 shop card and places it face up in front of them. This is the beginning of their canal street. Then each player draws 1 shop card, 1 window card and 1 roof card to form their starting hand. All players play simultaneously and you are ready to begin. You build houses from the bottom up. Shops start new buildings, windows are added above shops or other windows, and roofs finish a building. Once a roof has been placed, that building is complete and can no longer be expanded. Each turn, all players simultaneously draw 1 card of their choice from the decks. Maybe you need another shop, maybe a window, or maybe it's finally time for a roof. Then choose one of the 4 cards in your hand and add it to your street. To start a new building, place a shop card to the left or right of your existing buildings. Once placed, the order of your buildings can never change. Shop cards must start a new building. Window cards must be placed on top of a shop or another window, and roofs add an extra scoring possibility. If you cannot or don't want to play a card, you may throw it into the canal by placing it face down underneath your street. That card is removed from the game and scores no points. You score points when your buildings satisfy the conditions shown on their shop or roof cards. For example, this shop scores 3 points if the building is at least 4 cards high and contains no cats. This roof scores 5 points if there are at least 6 seagulls visible in the building beneath it. And this shop scores 3 points if both neighboring buildings are shorter than itself. After building, pass your remaining hand to the player on your left. Then everyone begins the next turn by drawing a new card. Continue playing until 1 player completes their 4th roof. They should proudly announce, "Heel mooi." Check each shop and roof card in your street and determine whether its conditions have been met. A building does not need a roof to score. Next, score 1 point for every visible flower pot in your street. Then check for the planning bonus. The player with the largest connected group of cards of the same color scores 4 bonus points. If multiple players tie for the largest group, they each score 2 points instead. Only cards directly next to each other count as connected. Diagonal connections do not count. The player with the most points wins the game. And that's Canal Houses. Enjoy Amsterdam, and we hope to see you in the next video on this channel. Bye!